So, I picked a simple one to start us off with. What shapes can you see? It's a shape sorter. I thought I'd do shapes. Okay, so what shapes can you see?
Cube.
No.
Square.
Shapes.
Square.
Square.
Circle.
Circle.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Diamond.
Diamond. Star. Yep. Good one, a shape sorter. We can all describe shapes, okay? When it's a shape sorter, they're not difficult, yeah? Another way we could describe them is if we get our maths head on slightly there, they're all geometric shapes. They tend to use kind of geometric shapes for shape sorters. Even a heart is a geometric shape. You can plot it on a graph. Yeah? All right, form. Let's go back to Alex because he said one to start with. Cube. Okay, what else form-wise can you see?
Cylinder.
Cylinder, yes, I can see cylinder. Pyramid. I can't see a pyramid. No, I can't see a pyramid. A good word, I'll tell you a good word to use when you can describe the shape, a triangle. I think my bag's trying to kill me. You can describe the shape, a triangle. You can describe the shape, a diamond, an octagon, all right? But it's kind of the 3D version of that, all right? The word to use is this one. Prism, all right? So when you're describing forms where you can describe the shape, but the form is like the 3D version of that shape, you can say it's a triangular prism. It's an octagonal prism. It's a heart-shaped prism, all right? Okay, so that's a really good word for when you're trying to describe form, all right? Okay, so we've got shape, we've got form. What colours can you see? This one should be easy. Colours. Blue, red,
Green.
brown,
Blue.
we've had blue, yellow. All right, texture.
Smooth.
Smooth, yeah. Why is it smooth? Now we're moving slightly up with this one.
The surface.
Reasons why.
Flat surface.
Reasons why it's been designed to be smooth.
So I can fit in the hole.
Yes, so that it goes through the hole nice and smoothly. Yeah, it's no good having a rough surface on the blocks and it can't fit through the hole. If those blocks were furry, it might get jam going through the hole, yeah? So that is one reason. Why are you laughing at his reason, Carla? So that's one reason, okay? Excuse me, can we just jump back to last week when we're saying that no answer is a wrong answer, thank you? And we're not mocking each other? Okay. Right, what other reason might there be, excuse me, for it being smooth? Who uses this?
Baby.
Babies.
Adults.
Yeah, babies. Hi, darling, come on. You're all good. You have a good weekend?
Yep.
So, babies use it. So does that give you an idea for why the shapes are smooth? Not just an idea in your head, you know.
No, not really.
Try saying it. Come on.
What did you say?
But I said the people that use it are babies. So, if babies are going to use that, why are the shapes smooth?
So they don't cut themselves?
Yeah, they don't hurt themselves. Yeah.
Sharp triangle.
Yeah, but what can you see on the edges of these shapes? They don't go.
Curve.
They don't go with sharp points. They're kind of curved. If you zoom it in when you get onto that,
What if they eat it?
eh?
Yeah. They eat it. They eat it.
We're going to talk about that next. Actually, what materials are they made of? All right, what materials are they made of? All of those things are made of the same material now. Because I originally thought those blocks might be made from plastic, but now I've zoomed in, you can see wood grain on them.
Yeah, wood.
The kind of stained wood.
Yes.
All right. So that question that Alex has just had of what if they eat it? What properties has the material got that's okay for babies to eat?
Nothing.
Nothing, as in
Nothing's okay to eat.
it's okay to eat. Yeah. I mean, it won't taste good, but you know, baby's got everything in the mouth. All right. So it's a non-poisonous. Yeah, it's a material that's not going to kill them. Yeah. What about the size?
Looks pretty small.
Let's see if we can find a picture. When I searched for shape sorter, hang on, open up a new, because I just did it. See if we can see them being used by someone. There's a picture of a baby with it. All right. So you can see the baby's hand there holding the block. In comparison to a baby's hand, if it was in comparison to yours, the block would be about this big. Yeah? So yeah, it's quite small for you, but you're old enough to know better than to put that in your mouth. Hopefully, yeah? But when you look at it in comparison to a baby's hand, they're really quite big. So a baby can kind of chew on the corner of that and the edge of it, but they can't shove the whole thing in its mouth, all right? Because they've thought of the size. You don't make things for babies that are that big, yeah? Because of what you said, choking, all right? So we've looked at shape, we've looked at form, we've looked at texture, discussed the reason why the texture is like it is, yeah? We've looked at materials, had a quick discussion about why the materials are like they are, yeah? So when you're thinking about this, remember we were always thinking back to the size was related to babies, the materials were related back to babies. The decision to put curves on the edge was related to babies. Babies are the users of this product, yeah? So when you're doing your analysis, you've got to kind of link it back to your client, you've got to link it back to who's going to be using it and where it's going to be used, all right? Are we all good? I'm not going to ball the pants off with you doing this every day, all right? We're not going to do it for very long, that's it for today, but we're going to have a little go at this every day, all right? So that we bang it into your head slowly. All good? Right, in your books then, thank you very much.